Hello, everyone. Welcome to Cross Off Every Number Challenge Level 3. You can see my code off to the left and the number grid map challenge board to the lower right. The goal of this challenge is to cross off every number in numerical order and use red ink to cross off odd numbers and blue ink to cross off even numbers. What makes this particularly challenging is it's hard to cross off numbers perfectly that are next to the outer border of the playground, next to the playground wall. Okay. Another thing that makes it challenging is navigating to the start of each row perfectly so we can keep our cross-off marks equally spaced on the challenge board. To accomplish all this, I created numerous functions. On the most basic level, I have a function called cross off full even that uses blue ink to cross an even number. Cross off full odd uses red ink. But then I also have these cross half even and half odd for the squares that are right next to the challenge board walls. Then I have a function called back to wall. It's a safe way for my robot to back to the challenge board wall without hanging the code. I also have a few other functions. I have this navigate XY, which will navigate my robot to any XY coordinate on the playground with error detection. You can see my X drive to X coordinate function here and drive to Y. They're very similar. You'll also notice that there's similar code in this interior if else statement. Okay, and the reason for that is if you're facing positive on the X direction versus facing negative, the greater than or less than symbols to do error correction and the initial navigation need to change. So it's almost exactly repeat code, but with the greater than and less than symbols swapped. Okay, and I've labeled that clearly with a comment block. This is X navigation.
Mr. Chadwick.
The top piece is if it's facing the positive direction, and this bottom piece is if it's facing the negative direction. Okay, now I'm going to play my code.
I can't hear anything.
Okay, can anyone else hear anything? Okay, so now I'm going to hit play.
Oh, now I hear something.
Okay. I'm just going to do one row if you guys can hear anything, and then we're going to stop the screen recording and talk about YouTube. Okay, what I want to point out here, if you can hear me, is you can see me in video, you can see my challenge board, you can see all of my code, but not only that, you can see it executing the code with the screen highlight. Okay, that should kind of be your goal. All right, I'm going to